Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the profile picture on your Netflix profile, like who's watching profile. So just log into Netflix. This is what you can do if you're sharing it. So select manage profiles here and select your profile and select this pencil icon. And here you can change the name, and also here is where you can change the profile picture. So select it, and here is where you can choose your profile icon. For instance, you want it to be from a TV series like Stranger Things or Boss Baby. Mine is from Bridgerton, so I just selected that. To select it, just select, for instance, this person. So select it and select let's do it, or not yet if you don't want to change it. So I'm just going to select let's do it, and it's going to change, and that is basically it. You're just going to select save. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!